Hello students, today we are going to learn simple microscope in this video. Here simple microscope is nothing but a single biconvex lens acting as a magnifying lens. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is a magnifying lens or a biconvex lens or a simple microscope. Now let's say the focal length of this lens is f. Now an object is placed at certain distance from the lens. Let's call that distance as u, and let's say the height of that object is h. Now a ray of light will travel parallel to the principal axis, and so after refraction it will pass through the focus of the lens. Okay, the other ray say passes through the optical center without any deviation. Now if you check carefully, both these rays are going away, which means they are never actually going to meet, which means we need to extend those rays backward, something like this, to make them merge or to make them align at one point virtually, and then this can be called as the virtual erect magnified image of the object of height h to become height h dash. Now let's say if we had watched this particular object directly, keeping it at distance ddv without any optical instrument, can I say the object will make or subtend some angle at the eye, and that angle will be called as alpha, the visual angle. Now since we are using the magnifying glass, when we try and watch the image of it, this is how we look at the image, and therefore the angle made at this point, nothing but of the magnified image ray with the principal axis, is called beta. And definitely the image from the lens, the distance is considered as v. So now once you have understood all the terms used over here, we can say from the diagram alpha is going to be h by d, and from here we can say beta is going to be h by u from the smaller triangle, or h dash by v from this bigger triangle. So now if we talk about the magnifying power of simple microscope, we have the general formula as beta by alpha. Now the value of alpha is fixed, h by d, but you have got beta at two values. Now as you substitute the values, you can very clearly see if you substitute h by u over here, the h will get cancelled, and so the formula will look quite simple. So that's the reason we can go for this, and h gets cancelled, and finally we get the magnifying power as d by u. So this is the most basic formula of magnifying power of simple microscope. Now if we use lens maker equation, where we have 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, considering sign convention, we can say v is on the left hand side of the lens, so negative, u is also on the left hand side of the lens, so negative, and focal length of a biconvex lens is generally positive. That makes this as plus, and this if we take it on the other side, we get 1 by u as 1 by v plus 1 by f. Now if we substitute d into 1 by u as 1 by v plus 1 by f, we get the magnifying power as d by v plus d by f. Now definitely we can have the range of v for it to be seen clearly to the point where it cannot be seen at all, which means v can range from ddv to infinity, because at ddv the image is seen the most clear way, and that means if we put ddv over here, we get this ratio as 1, and so the magnifying power becomes 1 plus d by f. And if we go for the maximum image distance, which is at infinity, where we can say the image is not visible, we can say put that infinity over here, and we get anything upon infinity as 0, and therefore the magnifying power is just d by f, which means the magnifying power ranges from d by f to 1 plus d by f, where here this is the maximum magnification for simple microscope, and this is where it is clearly visible because it is at DdV. Now this is nothing but the summary or the basic idea or how to use simple microscope or the important formulas of simple microscope. I hope you understood it. Thank you very much.